Let's take a look at a slightly more complicated number. Let's do 5b. Here we don't have a coefficient of 1 in front of our x squared, so it complicates the matters a bit more. You're still looking for the number in front of your x to the power 1 term. You're still looking for this middle number. But because of this leading 4, your life is a little bit harder now. Um, so actually, um, let's just first start by studying x plus, not plus, but minus b squared. Now, x minus b squared is a square number. It's a perfect square number. What happens when we expand the brackets? We get x minus b times x minus b, and quickly this gives us x squared minus 2bx plus b squared. Now the thing is, there's a 4 in front of Rx, so if we put a 4 in front of all of this, what we get is 4x squared minus 8bx plus 4b squared. Now we have our leading term as 4x squared, that's perfect, and we know that our last term here has to be a 9. So let's just write 4b squared equals 9. We're forcing 4b squared to be 9. So solving for b, we get b squared equals 9 over 4. Square rooting both sides, we get b equals 3 over 2. Oops, 3 over 2. And that's true because when you square root 9 over 4, you're square rooting the top and the bottom, and so you get 3 over 2. Now that you know what b is, you can replace it in your function, in your trinomial over here. So what we have really is 4x squared minus 8 times 3 over 2, which is really just 4 times 3, which is 12x, plus, and now we know that the 4b squared has to be 9. So using the properties of perfect squares and expanding it, um, and on top of that multiplying all of that by 4, we were able to logically deduce what the middle term is. It turned out it was negative 12x plus 9. And if you plug in values into your x here, for example, let's try 2. No, let's try 3. Then what we get is 4 times 3 squared is 9 minus 12 times 3 plus 9. If you do this on your calculator, I'm going to do it on my calculator, 4 times 9 minus 12 times 3 plus 9. Oops, mistake on my calculator. Minus 12 times 3 plus 9. This gives us 9. Gives us 9. And 9 is a perfect square number. 9 is 3 squared. So you see, if you choose any value you want for x, you will always get a perfect square number because we found the middle coefficients such that we can write this as 4x minus b squared, and actually this is just 2x minus b all squared. So all of this is a big square number.